What's going on, you guys, and welcome back. And today we will be finally installing my DSS axle. So it finally came in, as you guys can see. Still haven't took it out. I took it out just to go get the right socket for that. But as you can see, the box is kind of jank a little bit. So let me explain to you exactly what happened. So it was not the company's fault at all, by no means. It was actually UPS. UPS said that the passenger side was unshippable. So I probably assumed that the box was completely destroyed. They couldn't do nothing about it, and it's probably too lazy to put another box for me. So I contacted the owner of the company. So he went ahead and shipped another one out. Big thank you to him for being so cooperative and helped me out. So it was not the company's fault at all. It was UPS. So I blame UPS. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and get this axle installed. So I just went ahead, took the tire off. So got to undo the axle nut, vertical link, control arm, and toe. And got to take the brake caliper off. And let's just hope that it's not a pain in the butt, just like the other one was. Damn! I'm gonna take my toe off. So, all right, once you get everything removed, the spindle should drop. So I went ahead and did the caliper, the control arm, the vertical link. You ain't actually supposed to take the vertical link out, but I did anyways, but that's what we did last time. And it should just slide right out of the hub. As you can see. Now, just got to get in the car and get a pry bar and just pop them on out. There, and I just gave it a big old yank and play with it. You heard a pow, and she just came right on out. Big difference. So let me just scoot it closer. As you can see right here, all the way down, the shaft itself is actually a whole lot bigger. And the last one we had trouble with this right here. On the driver's side, it was real loose, floppy, and this one's really not. I mean, it's actually quite tight, like the factory one is. It could be just a little bit tighter, but I don't want to say too tight. So yeah, so hopefully I can get this in there by myself and won't have any kind of troubles like the factory, or won't have any kind of troubles like the driver's side. So now we know that this actually is not going to be like factory where it butts up exactly beside the diff. It's actually going to have just a little bit, and that's it. So wish me luck. I just thought I might just heard it click in there, but let's see here. Let's see if it looks just like. Let's see if it looks just like the other side or not. Let me. Man, it looks like it's just like the other side. To me, it's in there. I mean, to me, I don't see it going any further than that. You know, I pushed on it, and we pulled it back, and it ain't going nowhere. That one slid in a whole lot easier than the driver's side did. So I don't know. We'll find out when I put it all back together and stick it in gear. And if it don't go nowhere, then obviously it ain't in there. Like I said, I mean, I'm tugging on it and it ain't going nowhere. So let's put it back together and see what it does. So I got it back in there. What I did was I went ahead and dropped the whole spindle like we did on the other side, just to slide them back in there. So now I'm just gonna reassemble everything, put it back together, and put the tire back on it and see what happens. So hopefully she turns and moves. Alright guys, got everything reassembled. I just did it off camera. It's a lot easier than try to film all this. Got the wheel nut back down to torque. Got everything tightened up and to torque. So we're gonna throw the wheel on it and hopefully I got it in there, because like I said, the other side was a pain in the butt. Didn't have no help, you know, not a professional mechanic by no means. So I just watched Ken. So Ken weren't here to assist me. So let's see if I did a good job at him. Alright, well, let's see here. Moment of truth. Oh. It's in there, baby. Woo! It is in there. So it is finally done. So now I got both axles. Now got a little stuff right there. Now your boy Philroy can send it to the moon, lower it down 13 pounds of air, and just straight send it. So guys, like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. See you when I see you. Peace.